In the realm of Emirates, nestled between rolling hills and sparkling rivers, lay a land of unparalleled beauty. Its cities shimmered like jewels under the warm embrace of the sun, and its people lived in harmony with nature and each other. For generations, peace reigned supreme, and the land prospered under the wise rule of the emir. During this golden era, art, culture, and knowledge flourished. Scholars from distant lands journeyed to Emirates to study in its prestigious academies, and artisans crafted wondrous works that adorned the halls of palaces and the marketplaces alike. Trade routes thrived, connecting Emirates to far-off kingdoms and bringing wealth and diversity to its shores. But amidst this prosperity lurked a growing shadow, the legend of a fearsome dragon that dwelled in the mountains to the east. Whispers spoke of its immense size, scales as hard as steel, and fiery breath that could consume entire villages. Though the emir dismissed these tales as mere superstition, some sensed an impending threat looming on the horizon. Small villages on the outskirts began reporting livestock disappearing without a trace, and crops withering as if touched by an unseen curse. At first, these incidents were dismissed as natural occurrences or the misdeeds of bandits. However, as the frequency and severity of these events increased, fear spread like wildfire through the land. Concerned by the growing unrest, the emir convened the council of elders from across Emirates to discuss the situation. Scholars, warriors, and seers gathered in the grand hall of the palace, their voices echoing with urgency as they debated the nature of the threat and how best to address it. It was during this council that a venerable seer, known for her prophetic visions, stepped forward with a dire warning. She spoke of ancient prophecies foretelling a time when the dragon would awaken from its slumber and unleash chaos upon the land. Her words struck a chord of fear and determination among those assembled. Realizing the gravity of the situation, the emir called for a gathering of brave warriors and skilled mages from every corner of Emirates. They were tasked with venturing into the mountains, confronting the dragon, and either negotiating peace or vanquishing the threat before it could wreak havoc upon their homeland. Armed with courage and determination, the chosen few set forth on their perilous quest. They traversed rugged terrain, crossed treacherous rivers, and faced challenges that tested their resolve at every turn. Along the way, they encountered allies among the creatures of the wild and learned ancient secrets that would aid them in their ultimate showdown. As they drew closer to the dragon's lair, the trials grew more perilous. They battled fierce beasts enchanted by the dragon's magic, navigated labyrinthine caves, and deciphered cryptic riddles left behind by ancient guardians. Each obstacle strengthened their bond as a team and honed their skills for the final confrontation. At last, they reached the heart of the mountains, where the dragon's domain lay shrouded in mist and mystery. The air crackled with tension as they braced themselves for the battle ahead, knowing that the fate of Emirates hung in the balance. The dragon emerged from the shadows, a colossal behemoth wreathed in flames and fury. Its roar shook the very mountains, and its eyes blazed with ancient wisdom and malice. The warriors unleashed their might, wielding spells and swords with unmatched skill, while the mages wove protective barriers and unleashed elemental forces. For days, the battle raged on, each side testing the limits of their strength and cunning. Just when hope seemed fleeting, a moment of clarity dawned upon the warriors. They realized that the dragon was not a mindless beast but a guardian of ancient knowledge and wisdom, corrupted by fear and isolation. With this newfound understanding, the warriors changed their approach. Instead of seeking to destroy, they sought to heal and reconcile. Through words of empathy and gestures of peace, they reached out to the dragon's wounded spirit, offering a path towards redemption and harmony. Slowly, the dragon's hostility waned, replaced by curiosity and a flicker of hope. It shared tales of a time when humans and dragons coexisted in harmony, exchanging knowledge and safeguarding the land together. Moved by these stories, The warriors and the dragon forged an alliance, vowing to restore balance to Emirates. As word of the alliance spread, a wave of optimism swept across Emirates. Villages once divided by fear now came together in unity, rebuilding what was lost and embracing a future where peace and cooperation prevailed. The dragon, now a symbol of redemption and renewal, soared across the skies, a testament to the resilience and courage of those who dared to believe in a better tomorrow. 27,532